Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using some more retiring products and we are going to make this super simple card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot. Just going to bring that in real quick. And I have a piece of TUTTI-FRUITTI Designer Series paper, and that's cut at 4 1/4 by 4 by 5 1/4, and I want to center this towards the top, and I'm using the Layering Circles Framelits. Okay, so just like that. And now I have a piece of Whisper White, and that measures 3 by 4. And I'm just going to line that up. And I have the basic black archival ink. And guys, this is retiring, so if you need it, please go to my online store. And we're just going to center that, just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with my Daffodil Delight, and I have my friend. And let's see, I guess I'll put it straight in the middle, just like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this, center that first. And I'm just putting some adhesive on the side, and then putting my page down, my paper down, just like that. And now I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals, and we are going to pop this whole panel up. And this is a really quick and simple card. Alright, so there you have it. Just a quick card to tell someone hello. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!